Hi, I'm Gabby. Welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. Today we have your follow along beginner ab workout. I'm going to be talking to you throughout just so you can get tips on how to get your form better and get into a deeper burn, which means better results. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video. Also leave me a comment down below afterwards. Let me know how you found it and also give me a massive thumbs up. There's a little timer at the top of the screen so you can see how far you are into your workout and when the burn is about to be over. Let's get straight into it and get you those amazing abdominals. Okay, starting off your first exercise, you're going to come into a crunch. So lay yourself down to the floor. You're going to interlace your fingertips, send them behind the head, eye line to the ceiling, the feet come in. Now you're going to breathe in. Breathe, exhale, the chin comes to the chest, head, neck, shoulders lift, eye line forwards, drop all the way down to the floor. So tuck the chin in, lift up, and then lower back down. So the hands are interlaced here, support the head, and lower back down to the floor. So you're just warming up those abs. This is getting into your upper abdominals, lift, lower all the way down, keep going, inhale. Exhale, lift up, squeeze, and lower back down. Now, how far can you get your head, neck, shoulders off the floor? As you lift up, your eye line comes all the way in between your thighs and drops back down to the floor. You've got it. Keep on going with me. All the way down. And we're going to go singles. Up, down, lift up, lower down. So really peel the head, neck, shoulders off. We go lift up. 10 more, stick with it. Go 9, go 8, lower down, 7, get the shoulder blades off the floor. You've got it, 5, keep going, 4 more here. Just go 3, we have 2. Now last one, you're gonna hold this one. Head, neck, shoulders come off the floor, support the head. Now tuck the chin into the chest. You're gonna reach one hand away. Now little reaches, up and reach. You're trying to tap the side of your leg. Go lift. If you're feeling strong today, make both hands off. Go lift. You've got 8 pulses, 7, 6, 5. You've got it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Lower yourself all the way down. Next into your heel taps. So bring one hand behind the head. This other hand is free. You can breathe in. Exhale. Lift up through center. Tap to the heel. Release. Back down to the floor. Lift all the way up, eye line forwards, tap to your heel and back down. So this is really great for getting into the side of the waist, getting into those obliques, curving down the side of your waistline, getting you that hourglass figure, through center, drop back down. So we go up, twist tap, go center, lower down. This is a heel tap. I'm going left side. Doesn't really matter which side you go because we do, unfortunately, have the other side. Through center, drop, you've got it. 4 more, tap, go center, drop, just go 3, tap, center, lower down, you've got it. 2, tap, woo, center, drop, 1 more, tap, center, drop. Well done, find the breath. Next side, other hand behind the head, other hand releases, reach down to the heel, through the center, lift, tap the heel, woo, and drop. Chin to chest, tap and lower down. So up, straight crunch, tap the heel and lower back down. Keep going. Inhale, exhale, lower down. Now get the head, neck, shoulders off. How far can you get? And you want to reach right round to that heel to really cut into the waistline. We've got 4 more here to go. You've got it. Whew, 3 more. Tap. Keep going. 2. I am burning with you. And then 1 more. Tap. Release. Drop. Well done. Hug the knees into the chest. I want you to rock back. Rock up forwards. Straight in towards your next thing. Step the feet on towards the floor. You're going to bring your hands underneath your thighs. The lumbar spine goes down, 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 down. It goes all the way down. So you've got a gorgeous C shape with the spine. This is to protect the spine and stop you pulling any back muscles and really focus in on those abs. Now hold here. Breathe in. Breathe, exhale away. C shape with the spine. You're going to release one hand away. And you're going to go up, lift up with a hand, lift up, lift up. Now you're going to go, release the other hand, lift, lift. So you'll see C C shape with the spine, make it curved, make it round. Now the further you get your lower spine to the floor, the more this is going to burn. Lift the hands, lift up. So you're pressing up towards the ceiling. If you want it even tougher, really push something heavy up and squeeze. Lift up, lift up. Now can you pull your belly button down behind yourself? Can you rock your hip bones in towards your belly button so you've got a nice C shape? The deeper that C shape with the spine, the more it's going to burn. We're going to lift the hands, lift up. Now the hands are going to twist down and down and down. Now let's make this tough. Push as heavy as you can. Go squeeze, push. Imagine you're pressing something heavy into the floor. Keep that C shape with the spine. If you can feel it in the back here, round out the spine more. Squeeze, squeeze. Now we're going to go a little bit faster. Let's get that heart rate up. Press, press, press. Push those palms down. Keep your abs, your spine so still. Can we get low with that lumbar spine? Give me another 10, 9, 8, 7. You've got it. 6. Keep pushing down. Go 4. Go 3, 2, 1. Well done. Hands come all the way underneath. You're just going to lift yourself up and bring your hands behind yourself. Lift your chest nice and high. Next up, we're coming in towards our slow mountain climbers. Sweep the feet round behind yourself. The setup for this is so important. Hands, they come underneath your shoulders. We're protecting the spine. No injuries here today. Now tuck the toes under, step the feet backwards, straight into a plank position. Hands underneath your shoulders. No point being here. You want to have hands under the shoulders. Now, so many people, I see them, even in the gym this morning, they do this. Oh my gosh, that hurts. Don't do that. Squeeze the abs in and up. Keep the hips. Try and get them in line with your shoulders. If you can feel it in the lumbar spine, tuck the tailbone under. I know I'm talking, but you should be holding this right now. Breathing in, breathing, exhale. You've got it. Slow mountain climbers. Squeeze one knee into the chest. Whew. Push all the way back and press. If this is a little bit tough for you, you can always just lower down towards the knees and hold stillness. So if you're in the slow mountain climber, keep going. If you want the modification, you are here on the fleshy part of your knees with your heels tucked in. If you're in that slow mountain climber, keep on going. Inhale, whew, exhale. How tightly can you get that knee all the way in? Press it all the way back, all the way in, all the way back. You've got it. We have 8 more of these to go. 7, press back, keep going. 6 more, squeeze. You've got 5, then it's over, I promise. But then you do have one more exercise. You've got 3, push back. Whew. 2, press back. Last one, make it worth it. Squeeze in, push back. Well done. Quick breather. Roll the shoulders round. Now this is your last ab exercise you're going to do in your beginner abs today. So it's lay yourself down. You're going to bring your legs in towards a Pilates tabletop. So the knees come over the top of your hips. One straight line, toes are in line with the knees. You shouldn't be able to see your toes in this position. Now you're going to grab underneath your thighs with your hand. So underneath your thighs. Now tuck the chin to the chest. Lift head, neck, shoulders up and away. So your eye line is in between your thighs. You've got your hands underneath your thighs. And you've got your head, neck, shoulders off. Now stay right there. Inhale, exhale. You should feel this in the upper abs. Now ease the tension in your arms. Imagine your arms aren't there and it's just your abs you're relying on to keep you up. Now get yourself 1 more inch higher. Put a little bit of stillness here. Keep going. Go 7, go 6, 5, hold, 3, 2, 1. Stay right there. Breathe in, exhale. Now you're gonna lower down. Don't die on the air. Bring the hands, send them behind the head. Now you're gonna go head all the way up and away. Try to get to that position, but without your arms as support. Can you get right back to where you were, but without your arms? All the way back down, breathe in. Whew. Exhale, squeeze, chin to chest, lift up, squeeze. Now you should feel this in your upper abdominals. Mine is shaking and trembling. Lift all the way up, squeeze, drop all the way back down. Now we want to fatigue out your abdominal muscles today. That is how you're going to make all the changes that you want to your waistline. So push through your workout. Chin to chest, whoop, all the way up, squeeze, lift, and drop back down. Stick with me, I know you can do it. You've got 3 more that I'm gonna hold. Chin to chest, lift, all the way back down. You've got it. 2 more, chin to chest, lift up, squeeze, and lower back down. Now last one, you're gonna hold this one, chin to chest, lift up and hold. Now you're gonna go both hands underneath your thighs here and get yourself back to where you were at the start of this set. Peel the head, neck, shoulders off. Eye line forwards, inhale, exhale. You're gonna extend one leg out in front of yourself and stay there. Now can you get your head, neck, shoulders further up and away? Now we're gonna switch legs and switch and switch and switch. Keep going, switch the legs. Go change, go change. If you are feeling like you want a bit of an advancement here, you can always release the hands away. For that modification, just keep an underhand grip, keep going. Now is your shoulder blades off the floor? Get them off, keep going. You have just a final 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, you got it, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Draw the knees in towards the chest. Give yourself a little rock side to side. Rock yourself back. Rock yourself all the way up and forwards. And well done, your beginner abs today. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out next time I upload a workout. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you found it today. Could you follow along? Could you take the modifications and the advancement? What else do you want to see on my channel? See you all again very soon.